Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use Grammarly in any text editor. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you need to simply go to www.grammarly.com/native, download and install the Grammarly for Windows or Mac app. After installing, you can now open the application or you can just basically create an account or log in on your desktop or browser. Now you have to finish the sign up procedure, and then once done, you can now open and create a new document. So let's just say you are using other editor tool and you want to edit this again here on Grammarly. What you're going to do is you have to copy that phrase, document, or anything here from this text editor, copy, and then paste it here on your Grammarly. Once you have pasted this, and then you can do a manual work. You can type your text in your favorite text editor, like what I mentioned earlier. Copy text and then paste it here in Grammarly's online editor. You can make corrections. All you have to do is to notice some corrections here. Grammarly will show you some suggestions or even corrections, and all you have to do is to apply. You can also tap this Write with Generative AI if you want to add more ideas. And also you can tap this Check for AI text plagiarism, but you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock this feature. Now going back, you can also tap this Goals if you want to set goals for audience, formality, and domain. You can also check your score right here. And you can add more ideas and then paste again any text from any online editor. So that's how easy it is to use Grammarly in any text editor. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.